as far as we are concerned right now, we have not seen any acts of the Vice President that we should investigate. Well, we do not find anything that is in violation of one, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, of any of the offenses in the revised penal code that is in relation to the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Sabi ni Martires, kung ipipilit raw ni Andres na mag-imbestiga na rin ng ombudsman,
I would advise Josec Andres to shut up, to stop talking about the case, because one of the powers of the ombudsman is to take over the investigation of a case of any government investigative agency at any stage of the proceedings.